Welcome to Hacking Life with Jessie. Today we are going to teach you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. And I have my assistant Sylvan here making grilled cheese. He's getting it. So your first step is to put some butter on your knife.
Any kind of butter?
We like the country crock with calcium.
I love it.
And then you put the butter on your bread and you spread it around. Put a big glob of that on a different piece of bread, please.
No.
That's way too much butter.
No.
They need to know how to make a sandwich the correct way.
Do the biggest blob you can ever do.
If you do a huge glob of butter, then then your sandwich will not cook good. It'll be all soggy. Do not eat butter. It does not taste good.
Mommy,
The next step is if you have a little too much butter on there, make sure to scrape it off. Otherwise, when it cooks, it won't cook evenly. So make sure all your spots are covered and your excess is off. You just wipe that back in the container a little bit.
Mom,
You
Nammies.
can scrape it off of the edge and just go like this. Sylvan's going to teach you how to turn on the griddle. We turn our griddle on to 350 degrees. You can also use a pan and do it on the stove, but I've found that a griddle cooks a lot more even. So that's what we do. So now you put one piece of bread on. You gotta flip it over. The butter has to be down. Okay, so you put one piece of bread on. And we like to put 2 pieces of cheddar cheese. And then you put the top piece on. Nope, the butter side goes up. So you have 2 pieces of butter bread and you have cheese in the middle. Now Sylvan is going to watch the grilled cheese sandwiches and he's going to check them every little while and see if they're ready. Usually when a grilled cheese sandwich is ready, you can see that the butter on this side of the sandwich starts to like get melty, and that's usually when you know that the bottom is ready. So if you just pick it up a little bit, you can sneak under there and you can see that it has not been toasted yet. So you have to continue to wait until it's ready. Do not flip it until the bottom is toasty brown. So if you can see, this one, the butter is starting to melt in the middle, and that's when you know that you need to flip the grilled cheese over. The next thing you want to do is look for the butter to be melting right here in the middle, and that's when you know it's time to flip them. Do this one next time.
That one's almost completely burnt.
Yeah, let's try this one. We're going a little bit too slow. Okay, they've all been flipped over. Now we have to peek underneath and see if the underneath side is done yet. When the bread folds like this as you're trying to flip it over, that means right away that you should know that it's not ready to turn yet. So try it with this one. See how the bread gets pushed in? When the grilled cheese is ready to flip, it'll be hard, so you'll be able to just slide underneath it. turned those last, so that those shouldn't be ready yet. So we'll give it a minute yet. Okay, Sylvan's gonna check the sandwiches again and see if they're ready on the bottom side. So as he goes to pick it up, it does not fold over. Show us the bottom. There you go. There it is. It looks pretty good. Let's see the bottom. Good. Let's check them and make sure that they're a little bit dark. We don't want them to be like that. We want them to be all brown on our side. So we can leave it right there. Okay, check those two, because we put those two on first.
These ones are going to be done.
This should be good. Let's stack them up. Let's stack them up like this.
This one's done. Mom, I want to show them a
Okay.
trick.
Okay.
Hey guys, watch this. I'm going to do a cool trick.
Okay, put that one on the plate. Check the other ones. We don't want them to get too dark.
Did it.
Man, no. This one is not ready yet, so flip that one back over.
What?
You think that one's ready?
No. But this one is. Ow.
Did you touch the griddle?
On accident.
Okay. You'll be okay. We'll run it under cold water. Okay? Almost went over the edge. Okay, here. This one looks pretty good. I'm going to take over while Sylvan runs it under cold water. This one's only half cooked on that side. Sometimes griddles don't cook as even as they should, but they usually cook a lot better than a pan does for grilled cheese. So our grilled cheese sandwiches are done. We're gonna go ahead and eat, but first we're gonna make some tomato soup to go along with our grilled cheese sandwiches. Grilled cheese sandwiches with tomato soup are the best. Are you making tomato soup for supper?
Yeah. This one is. This. What did?
Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.